Hi, good evening. So, as you can see, my background is all about Christmas, right? So, I just want to take this chance or this opportunity to invite you before you do all those, holiday shopping, all those Christmas sales around you. Um, Consider in attending a workshop or my workshop. Okay. So, I've been giving this workshop almost every day. There's a link found in this post. Make sure take advantage of this free. Okay, it's free. Okay, so in my workshop we learn how to increase cash flow. So we discuss all about the strategies that you can do to increase your cash flow. Okay, we talk about debt management. There's other ways to get rid of debt instead of filing for bankruptcy. Okay, hopefully you know that. We teach people how to build a strong financial foundation. Okay, talking about proper protection. Nowadays, a lot of people are getting sick, but what's your plan if that happens, right? So we teach people what is a suitable protection plan for you. Okay, one of the workshops that you also have is building wealth. Okay, and then asset accumulation. Okay, we talk about investments. Also, planning for retirement. Because a lot of people, this is one of the things that they really forget to plan. And when it's time for them to retire, it's too late. Okay. But, planning early is very important. And we teach that in this workshop. Okay. And lastly is wealth preservation. Okay. How will you preserve your wealth? We know how to work for money. Okay. Learn how to save your money, accumulate your money. But you got to know how to preserve your money. Okay. So all of these workshops, once again, are free. Okay. So I invite all of you to attend the workshops that we offer. Okay. Once again, happy holidays and enjoy, the Christmas season.